Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this little healing crystals pyramid I have here. I'll show you guys what this one here looks like here in a second. Let me just open it up, and that's the box here. It just says home decor ornaments. But let's open this up, and I'll show you guys it here, and hopefully this will be something that you like as much as I do. So here it is, so check this out. It's a really beautiful little pyramid. It's a little pointy at the top and corners, but you can see it's got the gold flake on the bottom, and it's got the little crystal ball inside of there and everything. It looks really cool. This is just going to go on my counter, and it'll be hopefully giving me nice healing vibes all the time. So really nice on the bottom. It's just acrylic here. I guess you could, if you wanted to put a little rubber thing on there, you could. But that's it. I'm going to go put this on my counter now, and it's going to hopefully give me nice healing vibes in my place here. So totally cool. Thumbs up.